Let's imagine we're in an elevator. You got 30 seconds, mate. Sell it to me. Go. Okay.
So Palfinger Connected is a portfolio of several applications for the operator monitor, for you as the fleet manager, and also for your service partner. All three parties can have instantly an overview about the health conditions of the machine.
I have a question.
Of course.
So you're monitoring what's happening with the machine. Are you talking about the electronic side of the machine, or are you talking about the wearing parts, my bushes and my pins?
The electronic parts, the main vulnerable components. Yeah, let's say we are tracking with the sensors and with our connectivity device each condition. Yeah, so if there is an error which is detected by a sensor on the cylinder, yeah, with the pressure, this is automatically recorded and transmitted via the mobile network to your operator, yeah, on any mobile device. If you use the fleet monitor on your tablet or on your computer in the office, you have this information as well, and your service partner at the same moment.
Okay, so, all right, let's just say there's a driver out on a job. Let's say I am out on a job,
yes,
and I'm having trouble with the crane. Could you see what's going on the crane in real time, and could you tell the driver if there was a very simple fix? Could you tell the driver what to do so he could get out of trouble and at least get the body back in, get the crane back into the lorry and get back to the depot?
Of course, this is one of the key features in the Palfinger Connected solution portfolio. And this app is called Operator Monitor.
Okay.
What we have here is a digital maintenance checklist. Simple to use for the operator. He has all the four main steps: information, cleaning, visual inspection, and lubrication.
Like a defect check system for it, or?
No, it's a process check system, yeah?
A process check, yeah.
So you see here in the last step, the lubrication step,
yes,
you have here all the steps, you check if you have done them.
Okay.
And if you require more information, like for the third step here, what is it? Is it lubrication points on the fly chip?
Yeah.
You put on the information, yeah?
And we have the drawing.
Yes.
You
have the information and also the pictures. What do you have?
Okay, and we have all the points numbered. So therefore, if I'm continually struggling, he can call the office and say, "Oi, on drawing this one, I have a problem with 1, 2, and 3 of drawing number so-and-so." Okay.
Correct.
All right, okay.
And when you are through this list here, yeah, at the end, you go all your points you have to do, you have to fulfill, yeah? You say, okay, I have done everything, and then you finish your maintenance.
Mm-hmm.
You finish it, and it will be synchronized automatically with your application. It's the fleet monitor,
okay,
yeah? So this data is sent from operator monitor to fleet monitor to your office, and you have an entire protocol, and you see how many checks have been done or not.
And the driver will also have access to this?
Of course, because this is essential. He has his own account and his entire service and his entire history of maintenance.
Okay, wow.
This is available.